welcome to my channel. My name is Raquel and today I have a video on nursing school. Yes, and this time it's incorporating nursing school and hair, married as one. If you're watching this video, that means you're probably in nursing school, so I don't want to waste a lot of your time because I know how nursing school can be and it's extremely busy. So I want to show you guys my easy hair tutorial that I used to do all the time whenever I was in nursing school because I didn't have a lot of time to do my hair Monday through Friday. So I needed to find one hairstyle that I can wear throughout the week so I didn't have to continuously redo my hair. So this is that video right here. If you're new, please, well, welcome first, and please don't forget to subscribe. We are near 3,000 subscribers and it will mean the world to me if you would join the family. So let's just hop into the video. So in my particular school, you could not wear your hair on your collar. Your hair could not touch your collar. Even if it's in a bun, it better not touch your collar, or you would get some points taken off of your overall grade, and I definitely didn't want that. I've already parted my hair the way that I wanted to lay, and also I usually do this on freshly washed, conditioned hair and air dried hair as well. And usually while it's wet, I put in a leave-in conditioner, and I'll put in pictures of the leave-in conditioners that I usually use. Put the leave-in conditioner, and I also usually use a styler, and I'll also put in the styler that I usually use so you guys can see that. So again, it's very, very imperative that your hair is detangled because it's almost nearly impossible to braid your hair effectively when your hair is tangled up. So I just get 3 sections of hair. Try to grab it by the root. And here. See my middle finger, I'm just adding hair. I guess I don't braid traditional. I don't even know what type of braid this will be, but it's laying flat on my head. It's out the way. I don't mind it. Braid all the way down. Are you doing your hair? Yeah. Okay, so next I would just put this, again, it has to be off my collar, so I will kind of twist these up into a low bun. Just like that. So I couldn't get really too flagrant with my baby hair just because I didn't want any issues in the classroom, but I am gonna like do something to him too. Okay, you guys, so what do you think? I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was fast, it was easy and quick and very easy to understand. If you guys would like to see any other videos, please let me know in the comments below. I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.